Hello. I really like this question. This is on combustion again. An organic compound C6H6 plus oxygen to give CO2 and H2O. Yes, C6H6. What's that? Do you know the name of C6H6? We call that benzene, right? So that's benzene. C6H6. So you're getting carbon dioxide and water. So if you want to balance this combustion reaction, the same thing. Balance the carbon first, then hydrogen, then oxygen. So let's concentrate on balancing carbon now. C6. So that means we're going to have a 6 here. Now hydrogen. Yes, it's quite simple. It's not even hard. H6, right? So we're going to have to put a 3 there to balance that. So now hydrogen is done. Finally, oxygen. So let's calculate. We have only 2 here. And here we have 6 times 2, which is 8, 12. And then we have 3 times 1, which is 3. So in total, we have about 15 oxygen atoms here. And here we just have 2. So let me put 15 over 2 here, so that will make it 15 on that side as well. So once I've done that, I can then choose to multiply through by 2 in order to eliminate that fraction. And that will leave me with 2C6H6 plus 15O2 to give 12CO2 plus 6H2O. Now if you check it, your carbon is 12 and it's 12 here. Your hydrogen is 12 and is also 6 times 2, 12. Your oxygen is 30 and it's also, what is this, 24 plus 6, 30. Yes. So you see everything is balanced, and that's how to write the equation of the of combustion of benzene. All right, I'll see you on the next one. Bye.